Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaelen, and in today's video I'm showing you guys how I do a braid out on natural hair. So as you could probably tell, I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I like to detangle and section my hair in the shower so that I don't have to do too much once I start the style. So that's what you see me taking out now. All of the products that I'll be using in this video is from a company called For Kinks and Curls. They're an Atlanta-based brand, and the first product I'll be using is this Blossom Deep Conditioner Plus Leave-In as a leave-in for all-over hydration. This product and others had a really nice light fragrance, so it kept my hair smelling really nice and fresh. So I just wanted to point that out if you were interested in, looking into these products. They really have a nice smell. Now I'm just parting my hair and sectioning for the braids. The only part that I was really trying to make look neat-ish was the middle part, because I know that will be seen regardless of how my hair turned out. But all the other parts, I really didn't try to make them look super neat or nice, just because they're not supposed to be seen anyway. So keep that in mind. You really don't have to be super neat and, particular with parting your hair when it comes to braid outs, twist outs, or anything like that, because the fluffing will help cover it up. After sectioning my hair for each braid, I went in and detangled my hair again so that there's no bumps in the braid, and then I went in with the Mango Curl Pop hair butter for added moisture and definition. Also, this video is not sponsored whatsoever, so I don't want you to think that my opinions are biased in any way, but I wanted to throw in there that these products have really nice ingredients in them. For example, the Mango Curl Pop hair butter has mango butter, coconut butter, shea butter, glycerin, avocado oil, almond oil, and fragrance. That's it, y'all. So I was really pleasantly surprised about that, because when I was given the description on these products, it was very short, not detailed at all. But when I noticed that not a lot goes into these products and not a lot of chemicals go into these products, I was really pleasantly surprised. I was really happy about that, because instead of dousing my hair with chemicals, I feel like I'm really providing my hair with beneficial properties. Now for the next couple of minutes, I'm just going to keep sectioning, detangling, and braiding my hair in medium/large sections. So I'll be back when I start the braid out. after I finished my braids, I left them in for 2 full days to make sure they were completely dry, and throughout that time I threw on a headband wig, and girl or guy, if you haven't hopped on the headband wig wave, what are you waiting for? This trend is a trend for a reason. Like, headband wigs are such a great investment, and if you don't already know, go ahead and check out my last 2 videos after this video to see how bomb headband wigs really are. Seriously. So when I started taking out the braids, I used the Blossom Growth Serum, and this oil is very light. It's very lightweight, which can be good and bad. Good because it creates that nice shine and luster to my hair and it doesn't weigh it down. But bad if you want to oil your scalp, because if you have a dry scalp like mine, this oil does nothing. It literally feels like nothing on my scalp. And yeah, so I just wanted to let you guys know, if you still want to try it out on the scalp, if your scalp isn't that dry, then this will probably be best for you, just to, you know, make sure your scalp stays hydrated and moist and stuff. But if you have a dry scalp, this might not be the product for your scalp, but definitely for taking out braid outs or twist outs to just oil your hair without weighing it down. Once I completely took down all the braids, I knew that this braid out was going to be a success, because as you can see, the definition is definitely there. So I was really happy about that. But now, to add some volume, I went in and with each crinkle or curl, I just separated into 3 or 4 pieces, basically where it naturally wanted to part. So at the root, I would feel for where it wanted to divide and just pull the strand apart. So super quick, easy, simple. Just make sure you take your time, because you don't want to create any unnecessary frizz. Not that frizz is bad, but you want a nice combination between volume and definition. for the final touches, I went in with the Olive Oil Eco Styler Gel to do my edges, just to make the style look more sleek. And I went in with a wide tooth comb to pick my roots for some added lift. And that's basically it. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of me, from me, and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below what you want to see me do next, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make new videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.